All right, we're gonna make a little bit of popcorn in our Whirly Pop. We don't have a microwave, so this is the kind of popcorn we make when we want like microwave popcorn. So we just use the Fun Pop brand. Comes with kernels and then the butter, like oil for it, and we just get a box of this on Amazon. So basically what this is, it's just a stainless steel pot, and it has a little handle in there that just rotates, so that way as you cook it, the kernels don't stick and burn to the bottom of the pan. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on about medium, and then I'm going to open this up and just dump it in. And then you gotta squeeze the oil looking stuff out. So while the pan's heating up, we'll get all that out of there. And then I personally like to add some of the movie theater butter salt, because then what it does is it really kind of makes it taste like popcorn from the movie theater. So you can kind of add however much you like, and then I always add more after I'm done as well. So we're gonna put the lid on that and then hold on to the handle on one side and then rotate this handle on the end here. So as you can see, it's gonna just rotate. I'm gonna rotate everything on the inside of it as well. See? So shut that lid and just continue to stir it while it gets hot. It just takes a couple minutes, and honestly it doesn't take any longer than microwave popcorn does. And you can add other flavorings to your popcorn if you want. You can add just regular salt, butter. You can leave it plain, honestly. I believe there's all sorts of different flavored popcorn, you know, white popcorn, that kind of stuff too, that you can purchase. And there's different kinds that come in a bag like that. We just get it that way. It's the brand that we've found that we like, and works good for us. So here in a minute or so it's gonna start popping, and then once the popcorn starts to pop, you're gonna keep stirring it until you basically can't stir this anymore. And then if there is still, it seems like there's maybe still some that need to be popped, you're just gonna shut your heat off and just kind of shake it on the burner, and then that way it doesn't completely burn it, but then you're not going to ruin your little stir in the bottom of the pan either. So you can hear it popping. So always make sure your lid is down too, because you don't want that popping out and burning you or getting all over the place. Plus you want to keep the heat in as well. So on it, like getting harder and harder to stir there. So see, you can really stir it. Look at that. Oh yeah. And it's still popping a little bit. Watch out, buddy, that's hot.
No.
Hold on. So we're just going to throw some of our popcorn in these bowls. And then just be careful when you do this so that way your lid doesn't pop off and that you don't burn yourself or get popcorn everywhere. Might have to break it up a little bit. Oops. See? You dump it in there. Break it up a little bit. Whoop. And there you go. A little Sunday afternoon snack. You want salt? No? Alright, and that's how we make buttered popcorn here at our house. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy more videos. And we'll have more coming up soon, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, All the Cooking, and have a great afternoon.